Hello guys, Ivan here, and this is unexpected video because I didn't really plan to film this section. I'm going with the new C63S e-performance for a road trip. I wanted to show you and give you my first impressions about the road trip and how this car behaves in a long distance scenario. So let's go. Special thanks to AMG Performance Center, Bratislava-Lamac, for having us here today with the new C63S e-performance. Alright guys, so let's do a quick walk around here of the C63S. Also there will be full driving video coming to the channel. Here we have just a road trip video. Check out here the graphite grey Magno, absolutely stunning spec. I really love how this car looks. We have also night package 1, night package 2, check it out. AMG grille in dark chrome, AFFALTERBACH badge here. Also check out here the bonnet cooling, the bonnet vent, the hood vent. The car looks so amazing. Also it has a wide front arches, check it out. These beautiful matte black wheels. Really stunning car with the aero package as well, check it out here. And also in the front, we will go over this in the future. Check out these squared pipes in dark chrome, aero package here as well. And AMG logos, dark chrome, Mercedes dark chrome, C63 dark chrome with the red surrounding. Absolutely stunning looking car. So much road presence, really crazy. You can see how wide are the front arches. No widened rear like with the CLE53. That one is wider at the back as well, this one at the front, but looks so good in person. Wow, really crazy. Also aero package here. Stunning design. And here in the interior we have Nappa leather, comfort seats with AFFALTERBACH badge here. These are comfort seats with red seat belts. Very nice AMG logo here. Full bottle can fit here, check it out. This is 1.5 liters Burmester, and this is very nicely loaded, highly loaded, check it out. Carbon fiber as well. And the AMG Performance steering wheel, this one has a Nappa, and also this one has a microfiber on the sides. It looks absolutely stunning, this one. Let's start it. Of course, if you start it, you get the electric sound, because this one is a plug-in hybrid. So we have 461 kilometers, almost full tank. So let's see what kind of fuel consumption can we get. We should have some traffic, so we will see the day. Check out here also sunroof, really beautiful C-Class. I drove five minutes or so and it seems really nice. So let's see what kind of driving experience are we going to get for longer distance driving. So let's go. 113 kilometers in the road trip. So far the fuel consumption is really nice, 7.3 kilometers. So yeah, the car is really nice on the highway. It's stiffer of course because it's a 63, but nothing too stiff. So yeah, I'm really surprised actually with this. And yeah, also the throttle is really nice in terms of the traffic jams, like for example this one, really nice to drive in the traffic jam with the hybrid. So now currently, as you can see, the ICE engine is turned off, so we have a hybrid now. So you can, even if the battery is discharged, you can see it's at 25%, when usually at this level the combustion engine turns on. But right now we can go at very low speed in the traffic jam, which is really cool because you don't need to use fuel in these kind of scenarios where you're going super slowly. So yeah, really happy with this, how this car drives in the road trip scenario, especially here in this like sort of slower pace traffic. And my range is at 479 kilometers, which is even more than what I started with. I started with around 450, if I remember correctly. Now we have 479, so we gained. So let's see what kind of numbers can we get later. And now we are driving with the help of a Distronic active cruise control, and let's check it out. We are still with the turn it off engine, so engine is at 0 RPM, and we are essentially driving on the battery in the traffic jam at these slower speeds. I set the speed at 30 km/h because we are doing really slow speeds, around 10 km. This is really comfortable as well in the traffic jam, so I would say even more comfortable than the petrol engine. So that is a really good benefit. You can see there power and also charge, so it's also recuperating when it is braking, which is really good because it charges the batteries as well when you are recuperating. And we are at very slow pace traffic, but yeah, essentially keeping a good distance and driving in very comfortable conditions. Alright guys, so you can see the icon for the traffic jam there. We are driving essentially with the help of the Distronic Plus as close as possible towards the right lane, so forming emergency lane while doing slow speeds. And this is the car doing this automatically, which I really appreciate, because yeah, many people don't actually do this. And we are driving in this slower pace traffic jam actually on full electric, because the car actually recuperates when it's braking in the traffic jam, and then uses the same power to accelerate the car in the traffic jam. So this is really amazing technology, which I'm basically now discovering how it works in comfort mode as a plug-in hybrid. So I think this is very nice in terms of traffic jams, and much more pleasant, we can say, than even V8. So these are the benefits of the plug-in hybrid, and even more comfortable than with the V8. If you would be here with the V8 in the traffic jam, it would be, I would say, a little bit less comfortable because of this. But here on electric drive, it's super nice, and super quiet, super easy in terms of the accelerating and braking. So yeah, really nice. Now look how huge is this traffic jam, absolutely massive. So yeah, very interesting to experience this. Now also the engine kicked in because we are doing faster speeds, but we now turn it off. So actually, yeah, for a short period of time the engine was on, and now it's once again off. So really amazing how the system can work in conjunction with the petrol engine and also together with the hybrid unit. So check it out. Now shortly it will turn off. Now we are going also uphill, so that's yeah, necessary to have an engine for power, but otherwise it will switch on. Already is off. Check it out, the engine, really amazing. Alright guys, so I arrived at my destination in Prague, and the ride was really nice. I'm really happy with how this car drives, also with the recuperation, especially in the traffic jams, these kind of scenarios. It works really well. So also the comfort in terms of the suspension is really great as well. So really nice car for a road trip. We can even open now the sunroof because it's already soon it will be evening. Actually it's evening right now. So yeah, really nice atmosphere here. So let me show you the fuel consumption. Alright guys, so here is the fuel consumption: 7.4 liters, 315 kilometers, and 63 kilometers I did actually on with the engine turn it off. So 1 hour with engine turn it off, and that's basically 25% I did on electric without the battery charge. So it was only like that, I didn't charge it at all from the outlet, and it was not at 100% when I actually started to drive. So this is, I think, really amazing in terms of the results. Alright guys, so day 2 with the road trip of the C63 IWC watch. How cool is this? And I did right now driving from the hotel to the city center of the Prague, and we have here the fuel consumption, which is 10.4 liters, 13 kilometers, and almost half 6 kilometers I did on electric with the discharged battery. So I didn't charge it overnight. So that's why this is working really nice. So out of 35 minutes, 26 minutes, it was working on the electric. Pretty cool actually. And also when you go back, I will show you the fuel consumption as well. So considering city driving with traffic jams, trams, this kind of stuff, I think it's pretty cool. And usually I would charge the car with the socket, with the plug for full EV mode. That would be around, I would say 8, 9, maybe 10 kilometers of full EV range. And considering I did 13 kilometers, almost everything I would do on full electric in the city center. If I would drive, for example, if I would park, for example, at home, I would charge the battery at 100%. So that is a pretty cool possibility to drive with this in the city center. Alright guys, so I arrived back. Let's check out the consumption. So here we have from start 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers, 333 kilometers, 60 kilometers we're on the electric with the engine turned off 1 hour and 7 minutes, 4 hours and 25 minutes total time with the traffic jams and etc, etc. So a little bit more than before, but also, as you can see, it's raining. It was like a heavy rainstorm on some sections of the road. So yeah, I think that's also why we have a higher consumption, like a half a liter or so. So considering everything, still pretty good in terms of the consumption. I tried to be as fluent as possible because we had quite a lot of traffic, so I didn't really need to accelerate or brake that much. So yeah, I also used like manual transmission and higher gears to have less resistance. So yeah, this is the result. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below, how do you like the new C63 SE performance and what do you think about this car? I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. With that said, thank you very much for watching and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.